Hey
What's
guys,
going on?
and
How are we ever
I'm
going to
going
change
to
back to normal
be
size? I don't
showing
know.
you
Budgie
a
said he has no more posters from.
video of Little Donny the Prince of Minecraft. There's Little Donny himself. He's been turned into a baby by the evil wizard, and this is his baby sister Leah's first word. Baby Leah's first word. Minecraft Little Donny Adventures. Little Donny the Prince of Minecraft. 361 views. Try to. Oh. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. Look, I'll be doing a few. Here we go. Here's the first one.
He told us to go to the fairy garden. They've got no fairy dust, so I don't know what to do now. Okay, so do you know what to do? Just eat lots of burgers and lots of donuts, and we might get bigger. And then we'll just get fat and budgie budgie. Yeah, well, actually, do you know what I'm noticing? What is it? Baby Leah looks so big. I know, she's after getting so big in the last couple of days. It's amazing. She's grown up so much. Was that Baby Leah smacking me, or did you smack me? Ow! She's been a little bold girl, is she? Oh my gosh, Baby Leah is being a bold girl because we're babies now, so she's trying to bully us. Oh, she's the same size as us, so don't be a bad baby now, okay? Be a good baby. Good baby, yeah, nod your head. Oh, because you can't speak yet. You have to look after us because we're all babies now, so we're all baby friends. Don't it? Maybe we can go to like a fairy kingdom and see if they have fairy dust for us. A fairy kingdom. Oh, it's like.
One sec, I just have to turn my Minecraft sound down.
Like McDonald's? Fairy kingdom. They've got their own place. Remember their evil fairy was there? Maybe we can go there again. Oh, okay. Well, I heard a little rumor that mermaids can fix us. Oh my gosh, maybe the mermaids have some fairy dust for us. Mermaid dust. Yeah, they've got like lots of magic stuff going on in their mermaid village. Baby Leah, would you like to go see the mermaids? Oh, she would. Oh, can Baby Leah swim? Not yet, but we can teach her. We can teach her to scuba dive. Oh, we can. I can't believe how big she's getting. It's awesome. I wonder if Baby Max is getting big. I wouldn't notice because I'm always around them. I know. I think they're both grown up so fast, and I think I want to hear her say some words soon as well. Oh, well, you have to be patient, Pudgy Wudgy Donny, because you can't rush a baby to speak. I know. Okay, so what are we doing today? Are we going to go to this fairy garden, or are we just excuse me. What time is it? It's time for breakfast. Exactly. Breakfast. Rations down. Bye. Leah, do you want some food? Come follow us. Come on, this way. Shut the door. It's open. I'll follow you, Baby Leah. Go down there and make sure you just jump on Donut's head and do it for Anthony's face. No. Baby Leah, you have a stinky nappy and little Donny is your older brother and he has to change it. Oh no, I'm not cleaning no bums. Butler Bob, will you clean Baby Leah's nappy? She peed her pants. I want some food. This is kind of strange. Banana juice. It's kind of hard to see everywhere. I want a pineapple. You always eat pineapples, you do. You're going to turn into a pineapple. My favourite. Baby Leah, what have you got? Baby Leah has a pineapple. I want a melon. Excuse me? Baby Leah has a pineapple. Oh, did you give her one? No, she just got it herself. Really? Yeah. She's not going to eat it, is she? I don't know. Do you want pineapple or do you want a milk bottle? Milk bottle or a pineapple? I'll get you a bottle. Look, the bottles are up here. I've got 58 melons. 58 melons? Baby Leah, look up here. Baby Leah. Melons. Look, here you go, Baby Leah. Lots of presents for you. Look, lots of melons. You're going to eat them all and you're going to grow up really big. Oh my gosh, don't. That's too many melons for a baby. She's going to get sick. It's so much melons. There's melons everywhere. Melon on your head, Baby Leah. Here's your bottle for you, Baby Leah. Look. Now, that's the only thing you want. Bottle. I'm starving. I need a sandwich. Got it. I got your pineapple for you. I had a sandwich and I had a pineapple donut. Do you know what we have to do? What do we have to do? Why don't we have a race as babies? Oh my gosh, that's a great idea. What's Baby Leah going to do? She's going to be cheering on me? She can watch and she can cheer on her older brother because I'm her favourite. You're not older anymore. She's bigger than you. Ha, she's your older sister. We're like twins. Come on, Baby Leah, hurry up. Baby twins. Come on, okay, we're going to have a race out here. The champion has to change all the nappies. No, Luz has to change all the nappies. Okay, I agree. Okay, just wait 1 second. 1 second. Baby Leah, come over to me for a second. Come close. That's so bold. That's so bold. Oh my gosh, I just farted in your face. Oh no, she's all sad now because you did a big smelly fart in her face. Yeah, but she tasted it. It tastes like rotten egg.
That's gross. Go on,
Oh
punch
my
it,
gosh,
baby.
she's smacking me. She's becoming her own little person. It's awesome.
I know. I think she's just as big as you now, so she's gonna beat you.
Oh, okay, Baby Lee, you can take your seat here and you can watch me beat little Donny.
Okay. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
This is gonna be the hardest baby's thing.
Okay, on your marks. Go. Ah, you cheated.
Good score. Good start.
We got off to a good start too.
Oh no!
Ah, no.
Did you fall in the water?
Yeah, did you?
Look at the webs. Okay. I'm in the water. I'm in the water. Don't.
Where
don't
does
break
Donny
quiet.
get that
I'm
song from?
concentrating.
I fell off. I fell off.
You know when I concentrate, I go quiet. So leave me
I
alone.
beat you the last day of this.
You did, but guess what?
No!
You're a snot and I'm not.
Did you make it up?
Of course I made it up. I'm up the ladder.
I'm going back to Baby Leah.
Do you know what? Baby Donut is much better than Big Donut because
Is he?
yeah, I'm much better at the jumps.
I'm after falling off 3 times.
That's awesome. You have to keep doing it.
No, I don't want to do it anymore.
You have to keep doing it, you silly Billy.
Okay. Gonna make it
Okay,
this
I
time.
can see you.
Okay, made it this time.
See me up here, look.
Yeah, wait for me.
Is Baby Leah still waiting down there?
She's waiting for us.
Oh, I can see her. She's on the steps. She's jumping up and down. She's cheering me. Ha ha.
For me, because I'm in second place.
Yeah, she's cheering for Donny the loser.
Okay, did you make it to the pool yet?
I'm in the pool and I'm after doing 10 lengths.
No, you didn't even make it. Oh, I got stuck in the webs.
I'm in the pool now.
That was so close. I saw you get stuck in the webs as well.
No, I didn't get stuck in the webs.
That's not fair. I've got a surprise donut out for you.
What's the surprise?
This one doesn't count. At Baby Leah's house, they built a new track for us to race around.
Oh, no way. I haven't been in your mum and dad's in such a long time.
I know, they did some renovations and they built Baby Leah a new big massive bedroom and they built a huge kitchen and a new living room and a big cinema room and a new running track and it's amazing.
Awesome. Let's go down. Let's get Baby Leah and we should take the helicopter over there.
What?
Take the helicopter over to your mum's.
Okay, yeah, let's get Baby Leah. I'm gonna do that.
Little Donny,
Yeah.
you know you have to change our nappies before we go.
Oh no, I don't want to change your nappy. Yours is
Why?
fine. Where's Baby Leah?
Oh, I nearly died.
Did you?
I nearly died, yeah.
Where are you?
I made a big jump into the water.
Okay. As long as you didn't die, it's okay.
Oh, Baby Leah's up on the top of the jumps.
What's she doing?
Oh my gosh, she's trying to do it.
Baby Leah, be careful.
Go, jump. Baby Leah, jump. Try and jump over the water. Oh,
Oh,
she
she
made
did
it.
it.
She's better than little Donny.
Oh my gosh. I think next week she's going to be racing us as well.
High five, Baby Leah. High five.
Bye.
Ah, you smacked me in the face.
Okay, come on. We're going to go to Baby Leah's house and do another race and we'll show you around. Let's get the helicopter.
Yeah, well, you have to go upstairs to get the helicopter.
Yeah, no. This is the way, isn't
So,
it?
come on, Baby Leah, all the way upstairs to get the helicopter. Up to the swimming pool, isn't it?
Yeah, all the way to the swimming pool and then to the left and then we're there. To the
Okay,
left, to the left.
race up, race up.
No races.
It is a race and you have to change our nappies at the top outside
Come on,
because...
Baby Leah.
Little Donny,
Yeah.
do you want the burger I have in between my toes?
No, stop saying that. It's gross.
Why?
Smelly.
I've got fish fingers and I stuck them in between my toes.
Oh, that's so gross.
They're amazing. They're so nice and so tasty.
No, it's not.
It is.
You're a gross dog. I'm going to bring you back to your mum and dad and tell them that you're really gross and they have to punish you for being so smelly.
Come on, hurry up. What are you
I'm
doing?
here. Come on. Where are you? Where's she?
Boo, boo.
Go
Fine,
to Baby
sir.
Leah.
Okay, your helicopter. Oh my gosh, guess what?
What is it?
We're going in this amazing helicopter that I brought you.
I don't like this one.
There's not enough room for me, you, there is, because we're babies, so we can jump in.
All 3 of us jump in. Come on,
Okay,
Baby Leah.
Baby Lee, you get in first. Oh, she's in. I'm getting in.
Awesome. Right, let's go.
I can't get in.
Oh my gosh, Baby Donut, you are the worst helicopter driver as a baby. We
No,
never crashed so many
that's
times.
complete and utter lies. Baby Lee was saying that she loved me and I was the best helicopter driver. that she's
Guys,
ever come
that's
across
not me
in her
moving
whole
the camera.
entire
It's
life.
That's
funny.
because she thought it was like a fairground ride because it was going up and down so much.
Don't be so silly. She didn't speak a word to me.
Do you want to see Baby Lee's new bedroom?
Okay, that's
I want to
funny.
see everything, but hey, little Donny,
Yeah.
we can't be seen by your mum and dad because we're babies.
Oh, I know. So we have to kind of avoid them a little bit.
Excuse me, Mr. Knight.
Keep an eye on where
Can
they
you
are.
change my nappy, please? Oh, I'm after peeling my nappy. Little Donny.
Come on, stop farting in everybody's face.
Yeah, but you have to change it because you lost the race.
Okay, I'll change it later on. Come on down here and have a look at our new bedroom.
Oh, this is all new. I haven't seen any of
I
this.
know, yeah. Look at
It's awesome. No way, is this Baby Lee's bedroom?
This is our bedroom. It's absolutely huge. And look, you can jump up here as well and have a little kind of race up here. This is the new racetrack. Look. See?
Okay, this is the new racetrack. Can Baby Leah do it?
I think so, yeah.
Oh my gosh. It's so high up, it's dangerous for Baby Leah.
Be careful. Ah!
What
Fell
happened?
off. You pushed me.
You fell off.
Baby Leah's hiding. Can you find her?
Where is
Got
Baby
another
Leah? Oh, I
12
can see her. She's
minutes
trying to jump
remaining.
up here. Come on, you might be able to do it, Baby Leah.
Be careful. Don't fall off.
One step at a time. Come on, Baby
Right, so I'm
Leah.
just
You're
done.
nearly there.
Gosh, I'm scared, Donut. She's gonna fall off.
Oh my
Oh.
gosh, she jumped off.
She landed on the slide. It's okay.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
You hit her. You're such a meanie.
I didn't hit her.
I think you did.
No, we were all tricking and we played games.
Did Donut just push you off? Did he push you off? She's saying you did.
Well, she doesn't speak. Stop lying.
She's not in her head. She understands me.
Baby Leah, did I push you off?
Oh.
No. She said no.
Leave my baby sister alone.
Okay.
Punch you in the face.
What's going on here?
Okay, come on. I'm going to show you some more things around here.
I love this room now. It's awesome, isn't it?
It's so full of it.
Wow. It's deadly. What's deadly mean?
Means it's awesome.
Oh, it means it's awesome. Oh, okay. Never heard that before.
One of my friends from Ireland, and he always says it.
No way. What's his name?
His name is Connor.
Connor. Oh my
You're
gosh.
Chef Connor.
Oh, like Chef Connor. Oh, that's
Baby
cool.
Leah, let's go this way. We're going to show Donut your new little play area.
Hurry up, Baby Leah. Such a slow coach. I thought because you're getting bigger, you get faster.
Let's be careful.
Oh, Baby Leah, wait. Baby Leah. Come here. Look.
Don't
Turn around.
let see it.
Turn around, Baby Leah. Oh my gosh. You've got poo-poo down your leg.
Oh no, it's so gross.
Oh my gosh.
He's only tricking Baby Leah. You're nice and clean, not like him.
That's two nappies you have to change now, little Danny.
Okay, be careful. Don't let Mum and Dad see you anywhere.
Where's your mum and dad?
They're over there, I think. Look. See.
Where? Show me.
Oh yeah, they're over there having a picnic.
Oh, don't let them see us. Don't let them see us.
Okay, jump down here, guys. Jump
Okay.
down here.
I can't see them. Oh, I can see your dad. I can see your dad. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm down.
Look over here. Look, there's a new whole play area for us as babies to play in.
Not for us. That's for Baby Leah.
Yeah, look, there's a little sand pit and there's a little paddle pool as well.
Oh no, wait. This is so cool. Oh, I like that. Baby Leah, can you get into the water or are you afraid?
And look, you can jump in and it's not too high. You can still see over the top.
Oh, so you can still breathe. I wonder if Baby Leah can get in. Go on, Baby Leah, jump in.
Before.
Oh, good girl.
Look, she
Oh
looks
my
swimming.
gosh. There's a floater in there. She
Ah.
put in there.
Stop talking about poo, you all the
Oh
time.
my gosh.
Stop it. Okay, do you want to see something else really, really cool?
10 minutes.
Oh, Puppy Alex is still here.
Where have I been when all this has been going on? Where? Show me.
Over here. Can you see me? In there, look, there's loads of food here.
Okay, guys, so there's Minecraft. Bye.